So if you have any suggestions, I have glitter right here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today for Throwback Palette Thursday, I am doing Naked Heat because it's fall and these really remind me of fall. I love these colors. So if you guys are new to this channel, Throwback Palette Thursday is designed to bring out your older palettes to help inspire you to create looks with them because, you know, makeup brands are always coming out with new makeup collections and we kind of put our older palettes on the back burner. So I am bringing out older palettes, like older than 3 months, and these could be permanent collections, limited editions, holiday sets, beauty box palettes, collabs, you know, just older palettes in general along all varieties, and I create looks with them. But on top of that, I also have a series on Tuesday where I use that same palette, like today's Thursday, and Tuesday, the next Tuesday, I have a Palette Roulette Tuesday where I use that same palette and I let an app pick all the makeup for me. So I get to use one color of my choosing and the app picks 4. So that's just to try and use these palettes as much as possible. So you get 4 old palettes a month that way, and you get to use them more than once, which is always good. Because sometimes we bring out these palettes and we're like, oh my gosh, you're beautiful. Why didn't I use you more? So once again, this palette, Naked Heat, which is so pretty for fall. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. Yes. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, changing leaves. Beautiful. So, if you guys would like to see this look, then just keep watching. Alright, as usual, I have one eye done, and I'm going to be doing this eye on camera with you guys. And I'm going to be starting with En Fuego. And I'm just going to be creating the basic shape. Next I'm going in with He Devil, and I'm just going to softly blend out the very top line of that. Next, I'm going in with a softer brush and I'm going to do Chaser right up here to blend that top out. Before I forget, because I always do, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my eyebrow bone, and with Ounce, alright, so now I'm actually going to cut the crease, and then I'm going to start the transition colors from this way inwards. So now I'm going to be taking En Fuego again and slowly tapping it into this corner. Sorry about my 2-year-old. If anyone wants to come babysit for me while I film, that would be Highly appreciated. So to start the transition colors, I'm going to go in with Scorched right here. Then we're going to move to Dirty Talk. We're going to do Lumber. And then finally Ounce. And we're going to create a really nice gradient. So if you guys saw, I started my gradient with the first color and I packed it on and then dragged it out. I didn't clean my brush. I went into the next color, packed it on right next to it, and dragged it through that one. And once again, did not clean my brush, went to the next color, packed that on, and then dragged it over. So if you do it that way, you're always blending each color into each other until you get to the end. And then I did clean it for the white and dragged that one in. So that created a really nice clean gradient. And now I'm just going to re-deepen up this outer corner, and then I'm going to do the glitter cut crease. So to do the cut crease, I am actually using, don't laugh at me, this teeny tiny brush. Like, look how tiny that is. And this is actually a nail detailing brush. It came in a package of really cool tiny little brushes, and I bought it just for my eyes, so whatever. So this glitter cut crease I am doing with the Stila Glitter and Glow in Wanderlust, which is a really pretty pink gold kind of color. So I'm just going to use this teeny tiny brush, and I'm just going to put the glitter right on that cut crease and kind of go halfway to right there. I'm just adding a little bit of black eyeliner to the very top. To do the lower lash line, I'm going to make it really smoky, and I am actually blending in Fuego and Ashes together, and I'm going to bring that all across the lower lash line, and then we're going to do this inner corner with some glitter. And actually this glitter is kind of fading, so I'm going to retouch that up too. For the inner corner, I'm just going to go in with Ounce, which is this white shade here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara And then for the eyeliner, just any brown eyeliner. I'm going to do that as well. Alright, so let's move on to the blush, which I am going to be using the new BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Kit. I think I want to do this color today. I really love this. These blushes are beautiful and they are so affordable. I think I got this for $6. I lost my brushes. I've really been loving the JH06. It is filthy because I've been using it for everything. She said this was an everything brush and she was not joking. So I am going in with this color right here. I do have the Urban Decay powder highlighter in Fireball, and this came with the Naked Heat, and it's just a really pretty kind of pink, and I am going to use this just very lightly as the highlighter today, so nothing special because I want all the focus to be on my eyes. Alright, last for lipstick, I'm going in with the new Loreal Nude collection in All Out Pout, number 978. And this is such a pretty nude. Oh, I love this color. Well, there we go. That is today's look. And ignore my hair. These baby hairs are just whatever. So if you guys enjoyed today's look with Throwback Palette Thursday with the Urban Decay Naked Heat, let me know in the comments that you liked it. Also, why don't you go ahead and suggest some future palettes for Throwback Palette Thursday, because if I have it, I will totally use it. Just make sure it has at least 5 colors, because I will be doing palette roulette with this. So palette roulette will pick my colors. I will have the app pick 4 and I get to pick 1 and then create a look with that. So if you have any suggestions, I have glitter right here. If you have any suggestions, let me know, but otherwise make sure to subscribe. Give this video a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! There's a little baby.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, baby!
So this glitter cut crease I am using with the... Oh, thanks, baby. I will be doing... I will be doing... Get this... Hi.
Oh, hi!
Oh, hi!